Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial ULTIMO, which is our 2-axis servo driven press brake. This one's a 4 metre 135 tonne. It has the DSP laser guard standard. As you can see there, it's also got quick action tool holders right along for ease of tool change. And as mentioned, the DSP laser guards are very handy too, because it goes up and down with the top beam, allowing the operator to work in very, very close to the tooling. The ULTIMO CNC has the iBend, which is the touch screen graphical controller, as you can see there, so you can dry run all your bending and your jobs prior to physically bending it. It's got a great, strong programming system to it, huge library, but the iBend CNC servo driven press brake is a real winner. This particular one is also fitted with crowning, table crowning, very handy when you're doing 4 metre lengths, and because depending on where your steel comes from as well, you need some adjustment in the middle. Simply wind that handle. The ULTIMO also has the high quality back gauge fingers, as you can see there. There's 4 of those mounted across the back there, so you've got R adjustment, and having 4 fingers gives you a really good spread open back, so ease of access, but it also has the safety beams there that sort of cuts that off if anybody enters the back, and then simply just reset that by pressing the reset button. But our ULTIMO press brakes, servo driven, wall mounted Ballscrew back gauges, a real winner, top class machine at a great price. So jump on assetplant.com.au and find our range of sheet metal machinery, metalworking and engineering machinery. Thanks and have a great day.